But this doesn't mean the end, because there's a new life to start. To our dear parents, we are giving the children back to you. Please continue teaching these children the values that we started forming in them through practice and witnessing. To the ECE graduates, good luck, do your best to be peacemakers and true children of God. Let us now have a closing prayer. May I invite everyone to please stand for the prayer of Saint Francis of Assisi.